Mr. Karan Johar. Ladies and gentlemen, next we have the titan of the beverage industry, the man. Well, it's an absolute honor to invite him on stage who turned the cola into empire, the cola king and chairman of RJ Corp, and the visionary behind Varun Beverage, investor and promoter. At FEF, we have Mr. Ravi Jaipuria. A warm welcome to you. Pleasure having you here with us. Well, a very good evening to you, sir. Pleasure having you here. Action, comedy, and everything in between. I know you guessed it right. The Khiladi, the comedy king, the unstoppable Bollywood superstar, investor, and mentor, FEF, Mr. Akshay Kumar! A big round of applause for these incredible leaders, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to each one of you joining us here tonight. It's a pleasure having each and every one of you with us at this beautiful evening for a very wonderful initiative. As we move ahead, the moment has arrived, the one which we all have been waiting for. This is the moment that will go down in history. A moment that will redefine the world of fashion, business, and of course, entertainment. As we all know it, we've been building up to this, and I promise what's about to be revealed is nothing short of an extraordinary. Ladies and gentlemen, I can already feel the excitement in this room. So keeping up with the energy, now I kindly request our FEF stakeholder to unveil the behind the curtain. So all of you get ready as the moment has arrived, ladies and gentlemen. And so are we. So let's do. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everybody make some noise! The moment is here, FEXX Dramatic Entertainment, ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you. That's going to be a huge milestone for fashion, business, and of course, entertainment all together. This partnership is set to create groundbreaking content that will captivate audiences globally and set new standards in the industry of fashion. This collaboration is just the beginning, and what's coming up next is going to be monumental. Once again, if we can make some noise, please. So I would request FEX Dramatic Entertainment.
All of you right side, start from right side. Look center.
Center, look sir, center.
Yeah, corner start. अब किसा ये? ये जो ये.
थोड़ा हिंदी भी बोलो.
Look center. Look right. सर सामने देखिए अक्सर.
हाँ ये बराबर है.
सर सामने. अपूर्वा सर थोड़ा आगे. अपूर्वा सर. हाँ ये सही बोला.
सही बोला.
Storytelling to inspire, to entertain, and to bring about a change. And this partnership with FEF is really our commitment to try and create some impactful content that resonates with all the audiences worldwide. And most important, it is about supporting the next generation of fashion entrepreneurs by giving them an opportunity to turn their dreams into a reality.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, lastly we have a truly icon, someone who just words this evening.
Okay, hi everyone. I just wish everyone on the platform good luck, and this whole thing is going to change a lot of things in fashion, and I'm happy and very proud to be along with these people who are here, and thank you very much everyone for being here, and good luck Dramatic for getting this show on where is it going to come? It's a big surprise. It's a big surprise. As you know, Karan loves surprises. So we're all waiting for that. So thank you very much.
I want to say a big thank you to the FEF board for giving us this opportunity to amplify this groundbreaking initiative that they are doing by creating a series that enables us to bring this journey to a screen near you. So thank you so much, FEF, for giving us this opportunity to be a small part of your beginning. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mehta, for sharing this insight with us. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I will now request, we have a creative force who has redefined Indian cinema, bringing stories to life with style, grace and unmatched vision. I would request Mr. Johar to please share a few words.
Fashion, as we know, is a billion-dollar industry, and it gives us great pride to kind of introduce to you the Fashion Entrepreneur Fund, and we have such prolific and illustrious members on our panel as investors and mentors, and it means a lot to all of us at Thermatic Entertainment, to Apurva and
Priya to share his insight and his experience with us.
Good evening.
A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Tonight we are not only celebrating the Alliance Fashion Entrepreneur Fund and Dramatic Entertainment, but our pledge to uplift the entrepreneurs of the nation. Our vision is to support the startups of India who aspire to become the next leaders. My message to the youth of the country: we are here for you today, tomorrow and always.
and to the entire team that we are collaborating with, promoting, projecting and platforming fashion in its most glorious, magnificent and grand way. Thank you very much to every member of this illustrious panel on this very, very coveted stage, and I look forward to our journey together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure having you here with us. Well, next we have someone who has not only built an empire but is also shaping the future of business. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request Mr. Ravi Jaipur. Very, very excited. A huge round of applause. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for sharing this insight with us. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as we move forward, I would like to invite.
It's a very big opportunity for emerging fashion talents, and FEF will not only support them, mentor them, educate them and give global exposure, but at the same time fund them and completely nurture them and put them on a global stage, on an international stage. Wish you all the best and thank you all the supporters. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big, big moment for each one of us.
Left side, left side, left side. Akshay sir, left side. Solo, solo, Akshay sir. Solo, solo. Side, side. Akshay bhai, left corner. Akshay sir, थोड़ा इस साइड. Akshay sir, left corner लगा. Akshay sir,
Thank you so much, sir.
ये जो
Well, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.